suspense. Don't be tense, get off the fence. Strike them down with my fighting sequence. Let me just take a breath.